Hello, welcome to Saving Family Memories, the new YouTube channel that's all about saving your family memories. I want to help you do that, and if you've got any elderly relatives or friends who have stories to share, but they're not going to be saved unless you save them, please stay tuned. Hi, I'm Nicola Kane, and I created Moving Memories in 2020 after doing a couple of years of recording stories of business owners and their business stories. I decided that sharing life stories and precious life memories was my true passion. My father passed away in 2018, and he is the reason why I started this and why I am passionate about helping families save their stories on video. So by subscribing to this channel, what you'll get is lots of tips and ideas and how-tos on how you can save your family or your friends' stories on video. I'll be including tips on how to interview family members. I'll be sharing checklists and all sorts of inspiration from myself and from other people in the family story world, so that you get started and save your family stories now. If this sounds like you, hit the subscribe button. I'll be sharing new videos every 2 weeks, and there'll be lots of information that you'll be able to take away from this, practical ideas, practical tips to help you create your family stories and save those memories. Get your stories in the can while you can. See you soon.